Here in number 14 we have an angle measurement that's marked as U, and we're trying to find what that angle measurement is. Is it 37 degrees? Is it 12 degrees? We know that the sine, so the opposite over hypotenuse ratio of U, is 0.1736, but we don't know the angle measurement itself. So instead of using sine, cosine, or tangent, we're actually going to use the arc sine, arc cosine, or arc tangent, one of those inverse trig ratios to help us here. And since I'm dealing with sine of U, I'm going to take that and take the arc sine of the sine of U. The reason I'm doing that is because that arc sine and the sine, in a sense, cancel each other out, and we're left with just U all by itself, which is the angle measurement that we're looking for. And if I do that to one side, I have to do that to the other side. So I'm going to take the inverse sine, or the arc sine, whatever you want to call it, of 0.1736. And I obviously don't have that memorized, so I'm going to use my calculator and plug in arc sine of 0.1736, and I get 9.997. In other words, really close to 10 degrees. I'm going to round to that 10 degrees, even though it's not exactly that. And I know that I've got a 10-degree angle here because the 10-degree angle is the only angle that has a sine value of 0.1736. Now I did all that, and just throwing out a reminder once again, you've got to make sure that your calculator is in degree mode before you would do any kind of trig ratios or inverse trig ratios through your calculator.